APPS stock analysis, Friday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just looking at Digital Turbine stock, I think that I've already... No, it's here. The price is 100% up, which is feral, you know, it's cool. I have made 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, and that's given me an opportunity to refine exactly what's worked for me and what's not. And with my exact approach here, like I was bullish way beforehand, but once the price didn't give me the double break, I abandoned the thing. And now I'm finally starting to see this first break happening here, which is actually a great sign. It's also happening towards the end of the week. So I think this is the beginning of something huge. And with the price action that we have currently here, if it does pull down inside my demand, and if it does give me a double break, then and only then I'm looking to take things up. If not, I'm just not going to buy. So that's how APPS looks like. There you go. Confirmation part. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.